Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to be walking you through a few of the major steps for creating the rest of the windshield piece. This is what we're going to try to accomplish here today. So I've already got this created. This is where we finished in class the other day. If I look at this though, I'll notice that there's a little insert right around here that needs to go inside that passenger section we created, and we can see it from the side. It looks like here, this is a cutaway view that we have here, a section view. I know that it's a section view because down here, this is the bottom view, and I have this little line here that says A, and that's where the cut actually took place. So they cut it here, and then they're looking at the section view from here. It says section AA, here's the A, here's the other A, right? So I got some dimensions there. I know it looks like a rectangular piece from the bottom, and then it looks like it goes up, and it goes all the way to this curved surface at the top. As well, I need to notice that there's little tabs where my cursor is right now, and now, 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 and now. And those little tabs are highlighted here in detail B. So I'm going to have some specific dimensions. Look like there's 6 of those things. So I'm not going to show you everything in this video because I want you to have to read this document by yourself and kind of dimension things, but I'll give you a few of the overall steps. Step 1, we're going to create this rectangular shape from the bottom. That means we need to create a work plane in order to work on to create that rectangle. We're going to fill at the edges, and then I'm going to show you in probably another video how to do the offset feature in order to create the rim, so it's actually got some thickness to that line. It's not just a singular rectangle. So so that's really what we're going to be working on. The first video here is simply just creating that work plane, excuse me, that we can work on. So before we get going, I want you to notice that this little piece here extends down below the bottom of the windshield. And if I come over here, I'll show you the dimension because we do need it in this video. It looks like it's 0.67 right here, 0.67 inches below the bottom of what we've already created is where this rectangular piece needs to be created. If we look at it from the bottom, it looks like this. So that's what I'm going to do first. So I'm going to look at this thing from the bottom, click like this, okay, and I'm going to do an offset plane, okay. I'm going to offset from a particular plane. So if I click on this, it's going to ask me to where's the first plane, the original plane, and I want it right here at the bottom of this, okay? But I want to move it down, and you can see the down arrow already exists. It's going to move it down by whatever distance I type in here. So we're going to move it down 0.67 inches. That's the height that we saw on that other sheet, right, with all our dimensions, and we click OK, and our work plane is created. And now, if I want to create a new sketch, okay, all I have to do is come here and I can create a new 2D sketch on this work plane. So that's what we're going to do first. So there's the end of the first video. That's enough for now. And what we'll do in the next video is I'll show you kind of how to use that offset feature after we create. So between videos, I'm going to create the rectangular piece and I'm going to fill at the edges. Then in the next video, I'm going to come back in with that already completed and I'll show you how to use the offset feature.